Today I'm sharing a quick shopping haul and a recipe. I'm Katrena and this is Katrena's Priceless Home, Life and More. And to all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back. And if you're new here, well, welcome on today. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss any of my future uploads. You know, I'm creating content with you in mind. Quick favor, would you please share my video to 2 people? Well, 5. That's right, share my video to 5 of your closest friends. That would be so awesome. Enough said, let's get to today's video. So let's see what I picked up from Walmart. A pint of strawberries, an individual size of classic lemonade, 2 onions, 3 red apples, 3 Granny Smith apples, that Texas Pete hot sauce, a can of original Bush's baked beans, and 1 can of that brown sugar hickory baked bean. They were on sale for $2.22. Some bananas, fresh mint, some bay leaves, a pack of gummy worms, some long grain rice, 2 pounds, a pack of, you see it, ice cream sandwiches, 2 green peppers, 2 red and yellow peppers, some unsalted chicken broth, some hamburger, spring mix, some Lysol cleaner, some disinfectant spray, 2 cans of air freshener, and that Dawn dishwashing liquid in this apple scent. So now let's get to cooking. And as always, the full ingredients list and directions will be down in the description box below. So I'm sure you guessed it by now. We're making dirty rice. Okay, so now that we have all of our ingredients, let's get our hands ready to cook. Starting off by cutting all of my veggies. And you know I love this part because I think I have great knife skills. On medium-high heat in my skillet, I'm breaking down about a pound of hamburger and a pound of mild Italian sausage. Next, I'm seasoning my meat with salt and pepper. After about 10 minutes of cooking my Italian sausage and hamburger, now I'm introducing all of these colorful, delicious veggies to the pan. I'll cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes, making sure that my veggies are translucent. Next up, we're adding garlic. Add it as much as you like, and if you don't like it, don't add it. Everything's looking good, so now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, well, the W sauce, you know. And then I'm tasting as I go. Next up, I'm adding my washed rice. Do you wash your rice? Drop it down in the comments below. Next up, adding a few more spices because this is dirty rice. Mix and allow your rice to toast about 2 to 4 minutes. Then we go in with our chicken broth and 1 to 2 bay leaves. Allow to cook on low for about 18 to 20 minutes. Yeah, about 18 to 20 minutes. So in between time, well, I'm cleaning up because that's what good cooks do. All done. Nothing left to do but to fluff my rice and find the bay leaf. Yeah, find the bay leaf.
I see you in everything. You're working it all out for me. Oh, what can I do but sing and give to you all the glory? You put all my fears to rest. I bring to you my anxiety. Oh, I am forever blessed. Your passion is always.
I hope that you have enjoyed another edition of Cooking with Katrena in my Priceless Kitchen. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow. And if you are new here, subscribe and hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.